How to fix sound problem on Pinterest app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to fix Pinterest sound problem. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your device volume is turned up and not muted. Next, check if video itself is muted. Open the Pinterest app on your device. Then tap on any video and look for the speaker icon. If it's crossed out, then tap it to unmute. If the sound still doesn't work, try closing and reopening Pinterest app. This can fix temporary glitches. And now make sure your Pinterest app is up to date. An outdated app can cause sound issue. Go to App Store on your mobile device, then tap on the profile picture at the top right corner. Then find the Pinterest app. See if there's an update available. If it is, then tap Update to update the app. Lastly, if nothing else works, try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve the issue. Hold on to the power button, then slide to power off, then turn it back on after a few seconds. That's it. By following this step, you should now be able to fix sound problem on Pinterest app. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.